85 stunning Hosta varieties and where to buy them. Hello, fellow gardening enthusiasts. I wanted to take a moment to share my excitement about some of the stunning Hosta varieties I've been cultivating in my garden. Hostas are renowned for their lush foliage and versatility, making them a favorite among gardeners. Here are a few of my cherished Hosta varieties. 1. Hosta undulata. Hosta undulata, known for its wavy leaves, is a popular shade-tolerant perennial plant. 2. Hosta patriot. Hosta patriot is a striking perennial with broad, dark green leaves edged in creamy white. 3. Hosta halcyon. Hosta halcyon is a compact, blue-leaved perennial known for its striking foliage and shade tolerance. 4. Hosta guacamole. Hosta guacamole is a striking perennial plant with large, variegated green and gold leaves, ideal for shady garden areas. 5. Hosta blue angel. Hosta blue angel is a large, shade-loving perennial with striking blue-green leaves and pale lavender flowers. 6. Hosta franci. Hosta franci is a hardy perennial with striking green leaves edged in white. 7. Hosta big daddy. Hosta big daddy is a large, shade-loving plant known for its striking blue-green, heavily textured leaves. 8. Hosta June. Hosta June is a popular perennial plant known for its striking blue-green leaves edged with gold. 9. Hosta Francis Williams. Hosta Francis Williams is a popular perennial known for its large, textured blue-green leaves with striking golden margins. 10. Hosta elegans. Hosta elegans is a shade-loving perennial known for its large, blue-green leaves and attractive, fragrant white flowers. 11. Hosta wide brim. Hosta wide brim features broad, variegated leaves with creamy margins. 12. Hosta first frost. First frost is a striking hosta variety known for its blue-green leaves with creamy yellow margins. 13. Hosta royal standard. Hosta royal standard is a classic and reliable choice for shade gardens. 14. Hosta gold standard. Hosta gold standard is a striking plant with green leaves edged in gold. 15. Hosta crassa regal. Hosta crassa regal is a striking perennial known for its elegant, upright foliage and lavender blooms. 16. Hosta great expectations. Great expectations is a striking variety of hosta with variegated leaves. 17. Hosta minuteman. Hosta minuteman is a popular cultivar known for its striking green and white variegated foliage. 18. Hosta blue cadet. Hosta blue cadet is a compact and resilient perennial known for its striking blue-green foliage. 19. Hosta liberty. Hosta liberty is a vibrant and resilient cultivar prized for its striking variegated foliage. 20. Hosta ubiqua drinking gourd. Hosta ubiqua drinking gourd is prized for its uniquely cupped and deeply veined foliage. 21. Hosta golden tiara. Hosta golden tiara is a small, variegated perennial known for its striking yellow and green foliage. 22. Hosta T-Rex. Hosta T-Rex is a large and impressive cultivar known for its huge, corrugated leaves and vigorous growth. 23. Hosta Paul's Glory. Hosta Paul's Glory is renowned for its striking variegated leaves and reliable performance in shaded gardens. 24. Hosta Fragrant Bouquet. Hosta Fragrant Bouquet is prized for its variegated leaves and pleasantly scented flowers. 25. Hosta Rainforest Sunrise. Hosta Rainforest Sunrise showcases striking variegated foliage and shades reminiscent of a vibrant sunrise. 26. Hosta Segi. Hosta Segi is a popular shade-loving perennial known for its large, variegated leaves. 27. Hosta Whirlwind. Hosta Whirlwind is known for its striking variegated foliage and robust growth. 28. Hosta Orange Marmalade. Hosta Orange Marmalade is a striking variety known for its vibrant foliage. 29. Hosta Blue Ivory. Hosta Blue Ivory features striking variegated leaves with blue-green centers and creamy white margins. 30. Hosta Dream Queen. Hosta Dream Queen is known for its striking variegated foliage and resilience in shady gardens. 31. Hosta Touch of Class. Hosta Touch of Class is a striking variety known for its elegant foliage and reliable garden performance. 32. Hosta Regal Splendor. Hosta Regal Splendor is prized for its striking variegated foliage and elegant form. 33. Hosta lancifolia. Hosta lancifolia is a variety known for its lance-shaped leaves and robust growth. 34. Hosta capitata. Hosta capitata is a striking variety known for its blue-green foliage and lavender flowers. 35. Hosta clausa. Hosta clausa is a rare and compact variety of hosta plant with distinctive curled leaves. 36. Hosta longipes. Hosta longipes is a species of hosta known for its elongated leaves and shade tolerance. 37. Hosta plantaginea. Hosta plantaginea is known for its fragrant, white flowers and lush foliage. 38. Hosta sieboldi. Hosta sieboldi is admired for its striking, variegated foliage and delicate lavender flowers. 39. Hosta ventricosa. Hosta ventricosa is a compact and attractive perennial known for its robust foliage and lavender flowers. 40. Hosta twilight. Hosta ann. Hosta twilight is a striking variety known for its deep green leaves with creamy white margins. 41. Hosta Jurassic Park. Hosta Jurassic Park is a captivating variety with large, deeply textured leaves. 42. Hosta Night Before Christmas. Hosta Night Before Christmas is a whimsical garden tale of nocturnal hosta adventures. 43. Hosta Bressingham Blue. Hosta Bressingham Blue is renowned for its striking blue-green foliage and elegant mound shape. 44. Hosta Queen Josephine. Hosta Queen Josephine is known for its striking variegated leaves and compact growth habit. 45. Hosta Cherry Berry. Hosta Cherry Berry is a vibrant, compact hosta known for its striking red stems and lush green leaves. 46. Hosta Christmas Tree. Hosta Christmas Tree is a cultivar known for its tall, narrow shape and distinctive foliage. 47. Hosta Diamond Lake. Hosta Diamond Lake is prized for its striking variegated foliage and elegant presence in shaded gardens. 48. Hosta Vulcan. Hosta Vulcan is a striking cultivar known for its bold foliage and robust growth. 49. Hosta Fernline. Hosta Fernline is a stunning variety known for its elegant white-edged leaves. 50. Hosta Montana. Hosta Montana is a species of perennial plant known for its attractive foliage and shade tolerance. 51. Hosta Captain Kirk. Hosta Captain Kirk is a distinctive hosta variety known for its striking variegated leaves. 52. Hosta Halcyon. Hosta Halcyon is known for its striking blue-green foliage and tolerance to shade. 53. Hosta Winter Snow. Hosta Winter Snow is a striking variety known for its frosty white leaves edged with green. 54. Hosta Coast to Coast. Coast to Coast is a stunning hosta variety known for its bold, variegated foliage. 55. Hosta Avocado. Hosta Avocado is not a recognized term or cultivar in the hosta plant taxonomy or any botanical reference available to me. 56. Hosta Pilgrim. Hosta Pilgrim is a compact, shade-loving perennial known for its striking green and yellow foliage. 57. Hosta Honeybells. Hosta Honeybells is a compact and charming variety with uniquely shaped, bell-like flowers. 58. Hosta Invincible. Hosta Invincible is prized for its robust foliage and reliable performance in shade gardens. 59. Hosta Victory. Hosta Victory is a striking and resilient variety known for its bold foliage and easy maintenance. 60. Hosta Colored Hulk. Hosta Colored Hulk is a striking variety known for its bold foliage and vibrant coloration. 61. Hosta Wolverine. Hosta Wolverine is a compact and hardy perennial known for its striking variegated foliage. 62. Hosta Gypsy Rose. Hosta Gypsy Rose is a stunning perennial known for its variegated leaves and lavender flowers. 63. Hosta Hatspin Blue. Hosta Hatspin Blue is renowned for its striking blue-green foliage and compact size. 64. Hosta Dreamweaver. Hosta Dreamweaver is a striking variety known for its vibrant foliage and elegant presence in shaded gardens. 65. Hosta Sunpower. Hosta Sunpower is known for its striking golden yellow leaves that brighten shady garden spots. 66. Hosta Wee. Hosta Wee is known for its uniquely twisted and curled leaves. 67. Hosta Mini Skirt. Hosta Mini Skirt is a small-sized hosta known for its compact form and attractive foliage. 68. Hosta Hans. Hosta Hans is a popular hosta variety known for its striking foliage and compact growth. 69. Hosta Barbara N. Hosta Barbara N is a popular cultivar known for its striking variegated foliage and sturdy growth habit. 70. Hosta Tecutuma flavosurcinalis. Hosta Tecutuma flavosurcinalis is prized for its striking blue-green foliage and unique surcinal veins. 71. Hosta Cathedral Windows. Hosta Cathedral Windows features striking gold-centered leaves bordered by dark green margins. 72. Hosta Remember Me. Hosta Remember Me is a striking variety known for its variegated foliage and sturdy growth. 73. Hosta Angel Falls. Hosta Angel Falls is a striking perennial known for its cascading blue-green foliage. 74. Hosta Seducer. Hosta Seducer is a striking cultivar known for its captivating foliage and elegant appearance. 75. Hosta Thunderbolt. Hosta Thunderbolt is renowned for its striking variegated leaves and robust growth. 76. Hosta and Culpa. Hosta and Culpa is a unique and highly sought-after variety of hosta plant known for its striking foliage. 77. Hosta Olive Bailey Langdon. Hosta Olive Bailey Langdon is a popular variety known for its striking foliage and resilience in shade gardens. 78. Hosta Ginkgo Craig. Hosta Ginkgo Craig is a variegated hosta with striking green leaves edged in creamy white. 79. Hosta Neptune. Hosta Neptune is a strikingly blue-leaved perennial plant. 80. Hosta Pandora's Box. Hosta Pandora's Box is known for its striking variegated leaves and compact size. 81. Hosta Old Glory. Hosta Old Glory is a striking variety known for its bold, variegated foliage and tolerance to shade. 82. Hosta Fried Bananas. Hosta Fried Bananas is a striking variety known for its large, golden yellow leaves. 83. Hosta Diamond Lake. Hosta Diamond Lake features striking variegated foliage with green centers and creamy white margins. 84. Hosta Happy Daisy. Hosta Happy Daisy is a charming variety known for its cheerful foliage and easy care nature. 85. Hosta Midnight Oil. Hosta Midnight Oil is known for its striking dark foliage and compact growth habit. Each of these hosta varieties has its own unique charm and personality, adding depth and character to my garden. Their hardiness and adaptability make them a joy to grow year after year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I highly recommend incorporating some hosta varieties into your landscape. They're sure to bring beauty and elegance to your outdoor space. What are your favorite hosta varieties, and how do they contribute to your garden's beauty? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's celebrate the wonderful world of hostas together.